Wait. Oh wait, this is my old account. It's Leave Me Alone 980. Changes PFP every Saturday. Help me get to 50,000 subscribers. Wait. Oh my gosh, I saw my old video. Evolving Barry into a Wendolyn in Lumion Legacy Roblox. I don't want to look anymore. This drastic video got to like 1.1 thousand views. 1.1k views. And others are like 1, 2, 1, 3, 5. It's like oh wait, I made this. Scrolling videos, one cooping experiencing. Me, Milk Kit is my best YouTuber. Wait, I made that as a joke. Oh, that was my OC. Why is he holding an onigiri and why did she put a CD in her eye? She's going to like have an injury in her eye or something. Wait, is that her pupil? Time really flies by. I love you, Mom, Dad. Oh, thank you, honey. Now for us, thank you. Not problem. I'll always be there for you. 2 years later, I'm emo and nobody likes me. What's this? A present from my dad and mom? I didn't know. Yeah. Wait, what? Back you suck and you suck. Wait, why? Anyways. Changes PP every Saturday. We get to 5,000 subs. Oh, stay mad, bro. Thinks she could defeat me. Wait, this is my old OC.
I hopped into coffee shops, and then my jaw dropped in shock when I saw some girl who had cool pants. They made me want to dance. I started to advance to tell her until I heard a little voice say stop. I said you're really
Here's your breakfast.
That could be a bad idea.
Ever been to heaven?
Why
Have you? Ooh, it's the ride of your life. Hold on, cause baby, I might just give you a bite of the sweetest pie. Ooh, baby, we can go fast. I'll drive and you just lay back. I got the flavor, the last, yeah, the sweetest pie. I might take you home with us. I might give you all of it. Come get your clothes.
Can you put the milk powder?
Ooh, it's the ride of your life. Hold on, cause baby, I might just give you a bite of the sweetest pie.
Real hot dish. Me and Dua Lipa finna get the party lit.
What did I do in that part? Shake. And milk for babies. Yeah. Wait, milk for babies and milk powder. Okay, now she's... Oh, I think she... Oh, never mind. Okay. Bro, thanks you got you ticket.
Hey man, this your boy Lil B.
Stop. Oh my gosh. No. They really have to be earned. Okay.
I had a dream so big and loud. I dreamed so high, I touched the clouds. Whoa, oh.
Why did I put it back? I'm Oh, Tenutuya is like... Why did I put Zest here? Isn't Zest here? Joyride. Oh. How did I came... Like, I only have 2 popular videos. This one and this one and this one. These 3 cooked... Like, carried my videos. I'm Umbreon. No, you're not. You don't have an Umbreon PFP. No, shut up. Oh, I remember this. The haters who show their drawing is the best. Being jealous, but now remember I have greater art. Wow! My drawings. Wow, a Christmas tree. That's not even better. Even my haters are better than that. What the fuck is that? Should I cry or fart? Guys, should I cry or fart? Wait, let me speed this up. Because this is kind of a long video. Oh, this is where you get the Christmas thing. That's literally like 10 months ago. Can I fix it now? Can you just skip? Never mind, I'm not going to watch that anymore. Oh, what's this? Ah, my hair! Why do you appear in my shorts? Oh, this is a... You're coming forward, it's like to keep going over and over and over until you take it to the end. Wow, CapCut edit. Wow. Time really flies by. Wait, flies or flies? I only have 4 videos and none of them got popular. Only the shorts got popular. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I didn't watch it. Oh wait, never mind. I know now. I know. Oh wait, that's what? Wait, that was I think that was Yana's old account. Wait, no. I couldn't reveal her name. Sorry. Okay, so. And I found a fair. Oh! What fairy is this? No, it's Skibidi Toilet.
I don't have to tell you anything at all, unless
it's like
I don't have to tell you.
Oh,
Tell you what a woman loves most. It's a man who can slap but can also stroke.
You're going
in the wind as a patty of the truth that it's naked.
your head.
Tell you what.
Okay. Oh wait. That was like. Oh no. That was like copyrighted. Oh wait. That's the Halloween meme. I don't want to look at it anymore. Oh wait. Love God. Okay. Oh, it's someone's birthday today. Okay, goodbye everyone.